Around 1.5 to 2 million years ago, the formation of the Congo River acted as a natural barrier, dividing the ancestral ape population into two distinct groups. On the northern side of the river, chimpanzees thrived in a competitive environment where resources were scarce and aggression was favored for survival. Meanwhile, south of the river, bonobos enjoyed a more abundant environment with ample food and fewer competitive pressures. Over time, these differing environmental conditions led to distinct adaptations in each group. Chimpanzees evolved to be larger, more aggressive, and male-dominated, as these traits conferred advantages in their competitive environment. In contrast, bonobos evolved to be slender, more playful, and female-dominated, reflecting the abundance of resources and reduced competition in their habitats. Despite their differences, their ancestors were actually able to interbreed and produce viable, fertile offspring in the past. However, as the Congo River continued to widen and the geographical barrier became more pronounced, reproductive isolation gradually took hold, and they were no longer able to produce fertile offspring. But let's be honest here, if this thing was your excuse to break up with your girlfriend, then honestly, you guys were never meant to be. Why bother trying to reach her anymore, Just find someone better on your side of the river. That's how life is sometimes. Just deal with it. To get back to the main point here, with limited gene flow between the two populations and ongoing natural selection pressures, reproductive isolation eventually led to the divergence of bonobos and chimpanzees into distinct species. And so, through the forces of geographic isolation and reproductive barriers, the evolutionary paths of bonobos and chimpanzees diverged, giving rise to the fascinating diversity of African ape species today.